In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an employee in BambooHR. Now to do this on your dashboard, first you want to go to the People tab over here on the left, and then of course you want to select the employee which you want to delete. So I do have some demo data in here. I'm going to just pick this first employee on my list over here, and it's going to of course open up their details. Again, this is just some demo data. As you can see up top right, it says I'm actually viewing sample data in here, so I'm not actually leaking anybody's info. And then over here you can see the three dots. You want to click on them here on the top right, and when you do so, at the very bottom, if you scroll down, it says delete employee. So you can also end employment or just click on delete employee. So to delete them, you want to click on this button over here, and of course it's going to load for a few seconds. And as you can see, you have to type in delete to continue, and then you can click on yes, delete this employee, and that's going to essentially delete that specific person from your employee list. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.